I think the Boo Crew Mystery Quilt Along kit is here, and I'm so excited. Hey, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and it's another edition of What's in the Box. We got a sew sampler here. This is the monthly one. About a week ago I got their seasonal one, and that was a lot of fun to open, and I'll link the video up above and down below if you want to watch it. But this is their monthly one that I'm going to open and see what we get. It's always so much fun. And then I'm pretty sure that one of these other here is the Boo Crew Mystery Quilt Along kit. And we're going to start. It starts on July 5th. And I am so excited. If you're watching this channel, you'll see I'm doing another Halloween quilt. It is not a mystery quilt along, but it's still a lot of fun. It's a sampler, so you can check that out too. I'll put that link down below. And then I'm not sure what's in the other one. We'll have to find out. So I will put links to everything here. If you see something you like and you're interested, you can click the links down below. And let's have some fun. Let's open some boxes. Okay, let's get to opening boxes because it's so much fun. Save the sew sampler for last, and then let's do these two. So I'm pretty sure this is probably Boo Crew, so let's open this and see what's in here. This is probably, I'm gonna guess, a Batik or Solid of the Month club that I'm in at Fat Quarter Shop. And let's see. Ooh, it's the Solid! Alexandrite Solids Fat Quarter Bundle. Oh, I love purple. Look at those colors. Telling you what, I gotta do something. I gotta do something. I've been doing a lot with my Batiks. I haven't been doing much with my Solids. Look at those colors. And they give you a card. They show you the item number, so if you want a certain color, you can reorder it through them. But this is Alexandrite Fat Quarter Bundle. This is the June, so we are caught up, and those are so scrumptiously pretty. And I love purple. That is so pretty. But yeah, there's 12 fat quarters. Oh gosh, I can't remember. $30, $35. I'll put the price up here when I'm editing so you can see what it is. But you get 12 fat quarters, and you get one every month, and they're curated for colors. So yeah, look at that, so pretty, so pretty. I'll keep you updated in what I do with my solids. I'm going to admit I haven't done much with my solids, but I do more with my Batik Fat Quarter of the Month. Okay, so there's that package. Let's see what this is. It's taped up pretty good. It's pretty fat. Looks like Boo Crew. Boo Crew Mystery Quilt Along. So, I'm pretty sure this starts July 5th, and this, I think, is just the kit to get started. Yep. So the finished size of this quilt will be small. It'll be 33.5 by 35.5. And they tell you what all these are for, like the purples, the background and borders. All these fabrics are going to be the blocks. Ooh, I like that binding. And then this spider web's going to be the backing. And this is Too Cute to Spook collection by me and my sister for Moda Fabrics. So I believe this is still available. I've got links down below to the fabrics, to the quilt along, so that you can see everything that's involved with this Boo Crew Mystery Quilt Along. So the mystery means we're not sure what the blocks are going to be. It's a mystery. That's a block. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my God, I love Halloween too. I'm sure if you watched enough of this channel, you know that I am in love. Oh, look at that orange. Oh, that's beautiful. And here's that binding I was talking about. I love that binding. That stripe is so pretty. And the background and borders are going to be this purple, and this is the backing. So I'm pretty sure this is all the fabric we need for this kit, and then they're going to release the patterns out to you. You know what? There's a link to my website down below. I have more information about all of this Boo Crew Quilt Along that you can read about there. But I am so excited for this. And I'm going to be doing videos of my blocks as I do them. So you can hit subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll get to see the Boo Crew as we go along. So yay, that's so exciting. And now, time for the Sew Sampler monthly subscription quilting box. That's also from Fat Quarter. Let's see what we got. Last time we got some Tula Pinks, and they were so pretty. So this is the June 22 box, meant to be. And they give you a coupon on the back of this. That's for the sew. If you're in the Sew Sampler, you can you have access to a coupon on the back of this. Meant to be is June 2022 box. So I like to start with my card and go down the list. And we always start with the fabric. So this is Magnolia Flower Pot Junior Jelly Roll. Lella Boutique for Motive Fabrics. Value of $22. Find common ground in our love for Flower Pot by Lella Boutique. Rich foliage, rustic stripes, crazy dots, and handwritten text fill the prints in this 20-piece junior jelly roll for a modern cottage chic style. Dig in to explore all its natural beauty. Ooh, cool. Let's open this up. My mom and I did a jelly roll. One of the Sew Samplers came with a jelly roll, and that was fun. We put that quilt together. Where is that quilt? So my mom gets this box too. So this looks like her color palette. So I am sure she's either going to do the quilt or find something to do with this fabric. So yeah, that's really pretty. Yep, this is right up my color palette too. And at the end, they'll have a pattern in here that will utilize these fabrics. That is really pretty. That's a lot of fabric too. 1, 2, 3. There's 20 fabrics here. Oh, that's really pretty. So the next thing is Metler Candle Wick 100% Cotton Silk Thread. Thread is one of the most important elements of a quilt. We included a 100% cotton Metler thread in this soft neutral cotton hue, which blends well with any fabric color palette and will melt right into your flower pot fabrics this month. Oh, yeah, that's really pretty. I have used Metler before too, and I like it. So we got some thread. That's a value of $7. A lighted seam ripper. What? This is from Gypsy Quilter. LED bulb batteries included. Value $9. Let this little light shine. The lighted seam ripper brightens up an otherwise bothersome task. Rip out stitches quickly and cleanly with its sharp blade and LED bulb. Well, let's just open this right up. So here's the batteries. There's the protective cover. Let's pull that off. And we should have light. Ooh, those are tiny little batteries. See that light? So I have pretty bright lights right now, but if you were ripping something out, it does put light right onto it like that. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to have to check that out and let you know how that goes. I am planning on doing a video on all the sewing notions. Not all. Most of the sewing notions I get, and to let you know how I like them, how I use them. Because you get things that I don't even know exist. And then it's like, oh, this is really cool. Or I may not use it at all. It just depends. So look for that. I'm going to plan a video on my review on the sewing notions that I get in these sewing sew sampler boxes. But that's cool. I didn't know that existed either. Oh, what do we have here? Idle Moments bamboo coasters. That's the wrong one. Rest your favorite quilting beverage on one of these quilt-inspired coasters crafted from bamboo. This pair of Idle Moments coasters features lovely star blocks that will keep your quilting mojo strong. Comes in this nice little canvas bag. BuiltQuilt.com. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That is really cool. Those are really pretty. Very 3D looking, don't you think? Yep, and here I even have a drink right here. Set it just like that. Probably keep it a little more stable too. Well, that's awesome. That is a value of $6.75. Okay. Next is the quilt pattern. Looks like it might be a table runner. Magnolia Quilt Pattern, Fat Shop, Porter Shop exclusive. Multiple size options included. Okay, value $10. As beautiful and enduring as a magnolia tree, the Magnolia Quilt will find a place in your home for years to come. This Sew Sampler exclusive pattern offers lap, runner, and placemat size options and flourishes with the Flower Pot Junior Jelly Roll in this month's box. Oh, that's really pretty. Yep, 4 placemats or a table runner or a lap quilt. The lap quilt does take 2 of the jelly rolls though, so you would have to order more, and they do have the finishing kit fabrics listed in here also to give you the quilt. There's the table runner, there's the lap quilt. And the placemats. Oh, those placemats are cool. That would be something new. Well, Snibbers, you giving me kisses. Well, thank you. Thank you for the kisses, baby. Okay, that's really pretty. Oh, I love that color palette too. So, and then we've got block number 3, which I haven't been doing these, but I bet, you know, I've got them set away. So if I do these, I will let you know. It says each block brings something new to the table, as does the fun quilt setting. So, and that's $5 if you want to order the pattern. But yeah, so that is a cool box with beautiful fabrics, a beautiful quilt pattern, a tool that I didn't know existed right here, lighted seam ripper, some beautiful thread to go with the fabric that I got, and some coasters with a quilt pattern on it to set on my table. That is really cool. What a neat box. That is a really cool quilting box. So I have got links to the box, and I've got links to the items in the box. If you just saw one thing that you liked in the box, I've got links to that. I've got links to the Boot Crew. I've got links to my solid fat quarter bundle down here. So if you like what you see, you can check those links out. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. You'll see all my box openings. You'll see when I put some of these quilts together that I get in these boxes. You can see my Boo Crew go together. I have another Quilt Along. I got lots of stuff going along. So if you subscribe, I don't think you'll be disappointed. So excuse me, Snibbers. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.